Bitcoin has been trying to hold above 70K, but now it's at a decision point. Are we going up towards 80K or will we go back down to retest 60K? Let's find out. Welcome back to Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 1 p.m. Eastern time and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 69,800. We're gonna start off here with the weekly chart, and right now we still have 5 days and 7 hours before this candle closes. We're hoping that we can make a move up towards this 100 moving average. You can see that right now in the VRVP there is a gap here, so if we could break above this resistance, it looks like we could make it up towards 83K, around there, even 82K. The 100 moving average is currently at 87,419. If we take a look at the 4-day chart, this candle ended up closing green, and it looks like we have some tweezer bottoms here. I've been telling you guys we are far away from the 200, we are far away from the 21 moving average, so it looks like we could be making a move up in the VRVP. Again, there is a gap here, so it looks like we could make our way up towards around 76K, and if we could break that resistance, then maybe we could travel up to about 84K here. On the 2-day chart, the stochastics are pointing up, so this is looking pretty bullish right now. 21 moving average is currently at 85,159. On the daily chart, stochastics are also pointing up. The 21 moving average is at 79,845, and as we can see here, we're kind of flagging out here. We have a green candle. This is tweezer bottoms here, and we're kind of going sideways, so the measured move to this could take us straight up to this 21 moving average, possibly above it. This is why I'm thinking that we could at least make it to about 80K if things go right. Now the 22-hour chart, the stochastics are getting toppy. We are already close to the 21 moving average here, so if we don't want this to become resistance, we have to blast through this pretty soon. On the 10-hour chart, stochastics are also toppy. This kind of looks like it wants to roll over. We're hoping that we could drag here. This candle closes in the next 2 hours. We have a green candle right now with a wick, so it shows that we might have some strength to pop up here, and maybe we could get up towards this 50 moving average at 78,000. We take a look at the 4-hour chart, the stochastics are reset. We're starting to point up, so this is looking good. This is where I told you we have a possible inverted head and shoulder, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and the measure move to this takes us above the 200 moving average. I'm saying that we can make it at least to the 200 moving average. Even if we get rejected, that's pretty much at 85K right now with the stochastics being low, and the fact that we didn't really lose the 21 moving average that badly. It looks like we could make this move up, so this is what I'm going for at the moment. If you guys are lost in the process of trading and you're not sure how to create patterns, you're not sure where to take profits, when to get in, check out the Flex Candle beginner course, where you learn to read the candles and flex the moves. Right now, for a limited time, I have it at a 50% discount. Check out the link in the description and get your digital course today. We take a look at the 1-hour chart. Stochastics are starting to get toppy. We are holding the 21 moving average. We do have to get above this 200 moving average at 71,494. There is resistance here. We want that inverted head and shoulder on the 4-hour to play out. We need to get above this moving average here. And on the 15-minute chart, stochastics are toppy. We have been able to maintain above the 21 moving average. Yesterday I was hoping that this could have been some type of cup and handle play. It never played out. We ended up losing the 200 moving average, and right now we're battling to see if we could get above the 200 moving average. With the stochastics being toppy, what I'm hoping for is that we could get above it and then come down as the stochastics reset and use this 200 moving average as support. If we cannot do that, we definitely need to hold 69,223 as support, because this is the 21 moving average here. So overall, guys, I'm still looking for a move up for Bitcoin, at least to 75 to 80K for right now, and possibly even higher. If we lose the 70K level and we start breaking down, it's possible that we come back down to test at least 65K. Maybe we could bounce from there, but if we can't, then we could also come back down to about 60K. All right, guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is Flex Candle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.